it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you how to get the Overstock credit card. Yeah, so the Overstock credit card. And I remain with no hard inquiry and no credit check. So you should be able to get a pop-up saying, hey, you're pre-approved for this credit card. And we get that pop-up, you just put your information in, and then they should go ahead and approve you this credit card. But remember to, when you go ahead and do this, let me know in the comments if you're actually able to get that pop-up. Some people are not able to get the pop-up, but I want you to try to see if you're able to get that pop-up. If you want me to try to see if I can get the pop-up for you, go ahead and look down in the description and fill out that form there. So down in the description, I have it where you can fill out that form, and I can actually try to see if I can get the shopping cart trick pop-up to work for you. There's other credit cards out there, like there's Express, there's the Good Sam Visa, there's even like, say if you want to get Victoria's Secrets, there's other credit cards out there that I can try to see if I can even get for you also. So go ahead, fill out that form below. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and leave me a comment letting me know if you was able to get that pop-up. Make sure, instead of dropping cash apps, I used to tell everybody drop cash apps, do not drop a cash app. What I want you to do is I want you to text SCORE to 21,000. When you text this to me, then I'll go ahead and send you the form that I want you to fill out to put your Cash App information there. I do not want you to drop your Cash App because there's too many scammers around here and it's going to be too much. But let's hop right on into the video, you guys. Let's jump right on in. So to be able to do the shopping cart trick, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to clear your cookies, and you're going to need to be into incognito mode and allow pop-ups. So go ahead and click these three dots at the top and click on settings. Now, if you're on a phone, if you're on a phone like an Android, or if you're on an iPhone, then you have to Google how to do this, but I'm just showing you how to do it on the computer. I want you to click pop. So I want you to clear your browsing data. So when I say clear your browsing data, just make sure that you go ahead and clear this information. You'll just go ahead and make sure all these are checked off and click clear data. After you do that, then I want you to go ahead and click right here where it says pop-ups. Go to the bottom where it says pop-ups and redirects. You want to make sure that this says allow. You want to make sure that you are allowing pop-ups. After you do both of these things, I want you to make sure that you go to Factor Trust. So go to Factor Trust, and you want to make sure it says opt in. You want to opt in, so click submit. Put your first and last name in, put your social security number in, put your date of birth, put your address in, and then put your email address in. Factor Trust is like a alternative credit bureau. It's like a small credit bureau compared to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. And they're going to give your information to all the credit card companies. So that's why you want to get a lot of offers in the mail, and hey, you've been pre-qualified for this loan, you've been pre-qualified for this credit card. You're going to get a lot of offers because they're going to give you information to the credit card companies, which is what we want. But we're going to be able to get the shopping cart trick pop-up so you can be able to get that Overstock.com credit card. So let's go ahead. Let me show you how to get the credit card now. So now that you did that, I want you to go and click the three dots again and go into incognito mode. So I want you to put Overstock.com in. So put Overstock.com in, and you should get this pop-up right away, which is a good sign. That means that your computer is allowing pop-ups. So just exit out of that. I don't want you to put your information in there. I want you to find something that's $200 to $250 worth of. You want to get $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. And I don't want you to check out. I just want you to put it in the cart. And remember this too. It can be the same item. So let's look at this item here. So this blue one right here, I can just get two of these, and then that will put me between that $200 and $250. So now we're at $204.32. Let's click checkout. So when you check out, you're going to get this pop up. Make sure you continue as a guest. Do not put your information in at all. Continue as a guest. Put your email address in, put your first and last name in, put your address in, put your city, state, and zip code, and then put your phone number in. Make sure you click here where it says the shipping information is the same as my billing address. They're going to ask you to put your card number and stuff here, but I don't want you to do that. After you put your information in, you should get a pop-up letting you know you're pre-approved. So let me show you what that will look like. So let me go ahead and copy and paste this client's information over. I was able to get them a credit card, so I know that I'm able to get a pop-up for them because I was able to get them the credit card. So let's copy it. And remember too, everybody just cannot do the shopping cart trick, which is fine. I'm trying to figure out a way to make it so that everybody can do this trick. And when I figure out that way, I will definitely let everybody know, or I will be able to help everybody be able to get that trick done for them. So let me go ahead and type the phone number in. I don't like to copy and paste that. And make sure I put the shipping is the same, but I guess I didn't have to finish putting the shipping is the same. So this is the pop-up that you're going to get for Overstock. And remember too, they said that you'll get a $30 welcome reward when you spend over $30. So remember, well, you don't have to spend over $30. You're going to get special financing if you spend over $300. So keep this in mind too. Everybody's not able to get this pop-up, but if you're able to get the pop-up, go ahead and click accept now. I don't want to click accept now for this client, because if I click accept now, then you're going to see so much of their personal information, and I hate editing these videos to block it out. So just go ahead and click accept now. After you click accept now, they're going to ask you to create an account with them, which is fine. At that point, you can create an account with them or put your login information in if you already have an account with them. So go ahead and log in, and then they're going to ask you to re-put all your personal information in. Now, the thing is about Overstock, they're going to ask for your full social security number. I do not want you to put your full social security number in. I want you to put 5 zeros, and then I want you to put your social security number in. So remember, 5 zeros, and then put the last 4 digits of your social security number in. Do not put your full social in. Just put the last 4 digits of your social security number in. And remember, after you get this credit, after you go ahead and put that information in, they're going to let you know how much you're actually approved for, or they may send you a message letting you know, hey, 7 to 10 days, we're going to make sure we send you something in the mail. We have to still consider a few things. If they go ahead and send that message, I'm guessing that is 2 things. Whether they want you to, it's going to be whether they want you to verify your personal information, or they actually denied you. Please let me know which one it is, because sometimes too, I'll get the credit card, I'll see the approved amount, but then sometimes they want you to verify. So if they want you to verify, please let me know, that they just wanted the verification, and not that they actually denied you. So if you have any questions, definitely let me know. Remember, this is the Overstock.com credit card. If you have any questions for me, definitely, like I said, call or text me, 833-Rickita. Make sure that you text SCORE to 21,000 so that you can be entered into my monthly drawing. And hope you have a great day. If you have any suggestions on my next video, definitely let me know. Leave comments down below if you were able to get this to work for you. I'm definitely excited about all of the credit cards that people are getting right now. Thank you. What you do is, if you want to try my trick, I want you to opt into Factor Trust. So to opt into Factor Trust, you have to go ahead and click here. So this is the website. I'll have it down in the description. I want you to opt into Factor Trust. So when you opt into Factor Trust, all you're doing is telling them, hey, I want to get credit card offers. And you have to apply. You have to actually give them your name, your address, your social security number, your date of birth. They're a credit bureau, so they're similar to, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Those are the 3 major ones. But go ahead and click submit. After you click submit, then you want to go ahead and enter that information that I told you that you'll have to submit. Go ahead and submit that information and click confirm. Now, when you submit this, remember, you're telling them I want offers. So be prepared to get a lot of offers in the mail. But that's good, because remember, you're trying to build your credit score up. And for you to build your credit score up, you need at least 4 credit cards. Now, let me show you what you can do after you actually opt in. After you opt in, then you have a chance of getting approved for credit cards without them actually checking your credit score. So let's go ahead and go to victoriassecrets.com, because that's an easy website where you can just test and see if you can do the opt-in. You don't have to get the credit cards, but you can see if you get the pop-up saying you're pre-approved without them checking your credit scores and without them actually give you their hard inquiry. So let's go to victoriassecrets.com. So after we go to victoriassecrets.com, I want you to put $250 worth of items in your cart. I already have items in my cart because I did not clear my cookies. So if you try this trick and it's not working for you, I want you to clear your cookies. I want you to clear your cookies, and I want you to go into Incognito Mode. And if you want me to go through that, let me just run through it really quickly. You don't have to ask. I'll just do it. Let's go ahead and click the 3 dots here at the top. So there's 3 dots at the top, and go to Settings. After you go to Settings, I want you to put Pop into the box. And I'm going to kind of go fast because I don't want to, if you already know this, I don't want to, pull you through it. But I want you to go ahead and click here where you see it's highlighted with the pop. Go ahead and click there, scroll to the bottom, and you want to make sure that you click pop here, and then you allow pop-ups. You make sure that it says allowed. So make sure it says allowed on your computer. Go ahead and click enter again on pop. Let's go ahead and just put pop in again. I want you to go to clear browsing data. That's your cookies. That's when they track you. They know where you've been. So far they say I've been to 169 sites. I downloaded 10 items. Like, they know too much, right? So I want you to clear your data. So after you clear your data, they're not going to have this information anymore. So I want you to go to the Victoria's Secrets website, but I want you to do it in an incognito mode. I'm able to do it without incognito, but I want you to see what it looks like to do it in incognito. And this is actually called the shopping cart trick, what we're going to be doing. So I want you to put Victoria's Secrets here, click submit, click enter, and I want you to put that $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. So I like to just go ahead and hover over sleep and go to cami sets. But again, it can be any $200 to $250 that you want to go ahead and pick the items. You can pick them yourself. You don't have to go ahead and follow these items, but I suggest you follow them, but you don't have to. And you can always rewind, slow it down, or whatever it takes so that you can go ahead and get this trick to work for you. So I like to click the small, and I like to get 4 of them. And so I get the same items. I don't like to go ahead and get different items. I think it's just too much work and it's not necessary. So I want to add this to my bag. Now I want to click checkout. Now, as you can see here, the items is actually only $198, but with taxes, it's going to put me over that $200 mark. So I'm not concerned about it. So I'm going to click checkout. After you click checkout, you want to check out as a guest. So go ahead and click checkout as a guest. Now, I want you to go ahead and type your information in, that same information that you put into Factor Trust. I want you to put your first and last name here, your address here. I want you to put your phone number and your email address in. And the only reason why you want to put that same exact information, that's because when the Factor Trust sent your information over to these credit card companies, the only thing that they gave them was your name, your address, your phone number, and your email address so that they can mail you stuff, they can email you things, you can get all these different offers, right? So put that same information in here, but I'm going to type this information in of the client that I have. So remember, you want to make sure that this is that same information. If you do not put the information in correct, then they're not going to go ahead and give you that pop-up that I'm going to show you in a second. So I'm just typing in all the information that you will have to put in so that you can get that pop-up. And keep this in mind too. There's over 60 different credit cards that allow you to get credit cards without them checking your credit score. So go ahead, if you get approved for this one, if you get the pop-up, I want you to get the shopping cart trick guide in the description where you can see those 60 different credit cards. So I have all of the information put in. So I just want to verify that everything is correct so we can get the pop-up. So far, everything is correct. I want to click continue to delivery. So after you click continue to delivery, this is the pop-up that you're going to get. It's going to say, congratulations, you're pre-approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. And this is the pop-up for all of the companies. You should get the same exact pop-up saying that you're pre-approved. Now, they're asking you to pick which credit card you want to get. So I always like to get the pink. If you watch this plenty of times because you're trying to master this trick, then you know I love the pink card. So I'm going to click accept now. And what they're going to ask you for is they want you to put your date of birth here, your last 4 digits of your social twice, and they want you to go ahead and check this box here and click finish, submit for review. So that is what they want you to put here. And remember, after you go ahead and put this information in, they're going to let you know, congratulations, you're pre-approved for $500. You're pre-approved for $1,000. Now, I don't suggest that you actually buy the things on this. I don't suggest that you go ahead and get it. What I would do is I would just exit out. So I would click that X right there. And after they tell you how much you're approved for, they're going to send you that card in the mail. So you can go ahead and look at my guide down in the description. It's called the Shopping Cart Trick Guide. And you'll be able to get those same credit cards that's on that guide. And remember, they're not going to be checking your credit score and they're not going to be pulling your credit reports, giving you that hard inquiry. But if you have problems with hard inquiries, then go ahead and look down in the description. I have the hard inquiry removal guide also, where you can go ahead and remove inquiries from your credit reports. But yes, guys, I taught you guys the trick. So now I want you just to implement it. And remember, you want to opt into Factor Trust. After you opt into Factor Trust, it's going to be so many different offers coming in the mail. And now they're going to tell these different companies that you want to get the credit card, which is going to make it easier easier for you to be able to get them. So if you have any questions, go ahead and call or text me. My phone number is 833-Rickita. And remember, I'm always here for you. So you can always call or text me. You're my assistants. We're definitely here for you. And if you want me to try to see if I can do this trick for you, I also have a section in the description that says, click here if you want me to try to do the trick for you. And usually that trick can be done within 24 hours so I can see if I can get you pre-approved. If you have any questions, like I said, call or text me. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment with your Cash App so you can be entered into my monthly drawing.